Hello guys, welcome back to Data Finance 365. Today we're unboxing the Motorola Moto G Stylus smartphone, but before we get started, I want to share with you one money-saving tip. One of the best ways to save money when you buy a new smartphone is to wait a few months after it's released. Why? Because many retailers offer discounts and deals on smartphones that have been out for a while. For instance, this specific Moto G Stylus was released last year in 2022 with a retail price of $399 before taxes. But if you wait a few months, you can often find amazing deals up to 50% off of that price, bringing down the cost to around $200. For this one, I bought for about $144 or $150 after applying additional certificates, discounts from Best Buy. As of today, you can even find this Motorola Moto G Stylus for as low as $150, which is an excellent deal compared to its original price of $399. By waiting to purchase a new smartphone, you can not only get a better deal, you can also have the chance to read reviews and gather feedback from other users such as yourself. This information can help you make a more informed decision about your purchase. Now, let's get into the unboxing of this Motorola Moto G Stylus smartphone. As you can see, very elegant box, ton of paperwork with the Motorola logo on the top. I'll pull out the phone itself, which is nestled inside this packaging. And this is a phone. Inside here, you have some USB-C cable and a power brick. And display 6.8 inches, Max Vision display 2400 by 1080 pixels, and love the thin bezels. The camera at the back has insignia 50 megapixel. Down here is the actual stylus, which I'm going to pull out, and this is it. Very nice, which you can use to write or just to draw on your phone. Let's go ahead and set up the phone, and this is how it starts out. Very excited to see, you'll see the insignia powered by Android, and I love how the M at the center of the phone looks. Very gentle. The phone is still powering up. Look at that. Very excited. Let's add some volume. We'll get started. Choose your language, English. So here are the specs for the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2022. Display 6.8 inches, Max Vision display 2400 by 1080 pixels. Processor has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678. It has 4 gig of RAM, storage 128 gig, which is expandable up to 512 GB via microSD card. And the front-facing camera is a staggering 60 megapixel. The rear camera is 50 megapixel. Very exciting and high camera specs. Also has a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The battery inside this phone is 4000 milliamps with 18 watt fast charging. Operating system is the Android 11, and connectivity 4G LTE, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB-C, Type-C port, has a 3.5mm headphone jack down here. I'm gonna try and make sure you see that. It says. Now, I'm going to provide a more detailed review of this Motorola G Stylus smartphone in a later video, but this was just a basic unboxing and a look at this incredible smartphone by Motorola. Very nice packaging. Everything is very elegant. It includes the actual smartphone, the charger, the USB-C cable, and a bunch of guides and SIM tray. Alright guys, that's a look at this smartphone and why you should wait a few months to save some money. If you like this video, subscribe to Data Finance 365. Until next time guys, stay positive but test negative. Peace.